some ramen noodles.
Oh, not this again.
I don't have any money left to buy healthy food for my family. What am I gonna do? There's so many recipes here. My kids are really gonna love these, and they're super easy, not to mention healthy. It tells you exactly what you need to make this recipe and how to make it. So easy. I'm gonna make a grocery list right from the ingredients. With this list, I'll be able to feed my family for a month if I stick to it. Okay, it looks like I have everything on my list. I think I'm gonna get these actually. You know what? These aren't on my list and aren't in my budget, so I don't think I'm gonna get them. By sticking to my budget and grocery list, I was able to not only buy more food, but buy healthier food for my family. And I still have money left over once these groceries run out to buy more.
Mommy, can I have a snack?
Yeah, sit down. Here's an apple for you. When you choose budgeting,
You have a happy family.